Hello everyone, welcome back to BPO interview tutorials, and today we came up with an interesting concept that is on how to add auto sequence in the MS Excel. So let me give you an example here. You can see here there's a ticket ID like 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12, and there are the names. Now if I add anything here, like I'm adding a name here like John, it's loading. Yes, automatically I got the sequence number. So how we can get this? So we'll learn this today. Before moving to the video, I would request everyone to subscribe the channel and click on bell icon so that you will get notification on all the upcoming videos. Also check out our playlist. You will find videos on like Six Sigma certification trainers, team leader, operation manager, operation team leader, quality analyst, then trainers, MS Excel videos. Many more videos are there, approximately 250 plus content available that will help you in cracking the interviews. Let's start today's concept, that is on how to add the sequence number. To add this, we have a formula here which is if, then we will use all these particular cells, and then the function we will use row, and we will use the title here. Let's see how we can do that. So let me remove the entire formula first. Don't worry about this I7 H1. It totally depends on which cell you are working and on which cell you are using your formula. So let's start equal to if bracket open, if bracket open. Now it is asking I7, which means the name. Okay, so let me choose the name, then equal to double quotes, comma, double quotes, comma. Now it is asking row, so let me add the function row, and it is asking H1. The meaning of H1 is the first row. You have to choose always first row. So we are at C, right? So I will use C1, bracket close, bracket close, bracket close, and enter. Done. And let me drag this formula to all the cells. Yeah, it's done. Now let me remove this, and let me remove this, let me remove this. Let me add here like Poonam, something, any name you can add, and we will get the sequence number automatically, right? So you can drag this formula to the end so that you can automatically receive a sequence number as per the list. Understood? Now if you want to add a text starting off the sequence number, you can even add the text also. That is really easy. Please try that. If you don't understand, let me know. So that is all about the auto sequence in the MS Excel. Still have any doubt, please share your feedbacks and comments. Definitely I will help you out, guys. Don't miss to say subscribe the channel. Check out our Instagram, LinkedIn and Facebook page. You will get all the information on the upcoming vacancies all over India as well as international. Thank you so much, guys. Have a great day.